Hi guys, I'm Shrashta, and as you can see, I made a new upgrade to my background. It's a photo frame for my 10th birthday. So my 10th birthday was unicorn themed, so as you can see, it's a big unicorn with flowers and a horn and ears. And it says happy 10th birthday Shrashta because it's my 10th birthday. And it also says my nickname over here. And it also has lots of stickers, like a lot. So, how are you guys doing in quarantine? I get really bored sometimes. Like, I get so bored that I just stare up on the ceiling sometimes. Like, in space. So, anyway, today I'm going to be showing you how to make like these tiny rubber band accessories. So, you can make rings or bracelets, and you can also make chokers and necklaces and more. So, a bracelet looks like this. And a ring would look like this. It's a little bit smaller. And yeah, I'm going to be keeping one bracelet on. And the things you will need are like these tiny rubber bands. You can get them in any loom kit, like any loom kit, like a crazy loom or rainbow loom or finger loom. So yeah. And I have the whole rainbow, as you can see. And I'm going to be making a special bracelet, but you don't need this. So I'm getting like heat changing ones. Like I can change this to green with my finger. And transparent ones and like clear ones and these multicolored ones. So yeah. So that's all you need. So first I'll show you how to make like a regular bracelet / ring. You don't have to make a rainbow one. I'm just doing a rainbow one because I like rainbows a lot. So first, you put your fingers in a peace sign like this with 2 fingers out. And then you put, you put a rubber band on it. The first one needs to be crossed on your fingers. So it should look like this. Look, it's crossed. And for the second one, you put it on top, but for the second through last rubber bands, you never make it across. So look, this is not a cross. Then you put the bottom on the top, like that. And then it should make like a little loop like this. Yeah, like this. So you just keep on going, doing the same thing. Remember, make sure not to cross any of the other ones except for the first one. So green, green's in the other one. Green. And if you're getting a hard time like getting these rubber bands like me, you can use one of the hooks that comes in these kits. It comes with like these ones that have like 2 hooks on them. Or you can use this one that only has 1 hook and a little ball on the end. I'm going to be using the smaller one. So you basically just put it like this. You put it through the hook and then you just get it on top. And then you do it with the other one. So then you can do it like that if you want to. I'm just going to do it with my hands. Because for me, my hands is faster, but if for you, the hook is faster, you can use the hook. And then this blue. So I'm going to be making a bracelet, and eventually when it gets long like this, you can start putting it on your thumb. But for the younger people watching this, make sure not to get like get your thumb circulation cut, because that happened to me one time. And that basically means like your blood flow is not happening in your thumb. It happens like when the rubber band's too tight. So, yeah. Purple. And then the pink. Oops. One of my rubber bands broke. Technical difficulties. I'll just throw this away later. So if your thing comes off like this, like how mine did, you can just put it like this. Make sure it doesn't come off. And usually I have this with someone's help, but if you don't have any help, you can do this. And basically do it like that. So then I'll just start again like normal, how it was before. Is this actually stretchy? Good, it's actually stretchy. So there. And then the pink. If your rubber bands are like kind of old, make sure they're still stretchy first. Because like this one was kind of hard, so it broke. So there, and then I'll start my rainbow again. So I'm gonna be making 2 bracelets. Actually, this is gonna be more like a small bracelet. So yeah, sorry for leaving you waiting. And then green. And then blue. Oops. Oh, that can happen. Oh no. So if this happens, you can just take both of these ends to make sure it doesn't happen with these one. So you can take both ends and do it like that. Put it inside the other loop and do it like this. And then you just put it on like how you put it on before. Okay, wait. Just like that. And then you keep on going. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to be kind of slow, but like you need a little bit of patience. So don't worry if you're as fast as me. I've been doing this for like not such a long time, but I'm not a beginner at the same time. So then I'm sorry if you can't see it. It's just like I can't see it if it's that way. So yeah, the second to last color. And then finally the last color. So once you get it to do your desired length, my desired length is this, then you take these 2 sides and then you put them on one finger. So it should look like this. And then you take an S-clip or a C-clip. I'm going to be using a C-clip. So then you basically take the rubber band and like stretch it out a little bit, like on 2 fingers like that. And then you put this in there. And then can you see there's like 2 hooks on the C? You put it on one side of the hook. And then you have it like that. And then you take the other side. The other side, there should be 2. Yeah. The other side should be like this. And then you do the same thing and you put it inside. And then it should be like this. So this is the one that I made. And I'll show you how it looks when you wear it. You just stretch it out a little bit if it's a little too small. And then it looks like this. So yeah, if you take a little bit longer, you can make a choker or even a necklace.